In this topic of two forms of defamation, second is slander. Slander means it is done in oral form and libel means in written form. Slander means is a false and defamatory verbal or oral statement in some transitory form tending to injure the reputation of another without lawful justification or excuse. Slander is not actionable without proof of special damage, that is, it is not actionable per se, while the libel is actionable per se, but slander is not actionable per se. Now the ingredients of slander, first is the matter complaint of must be defamatory. A statement is also defamatory when it exposes the plaintiff to hatred, contempt. It is equally so when the statement tends to injure him in his reputation or calling. It must be false and must not be privileged or in the nature of a fair and bona fide comment. Then it must refer to the plaintiff. It must be published. It must be published by the defendant. There must be a special damage to the plaintiff, except in the 5 cases below where the special damage is not required to be proved. Means in any case of slander, to prove that the defendant is guilty, first point is that the matter complained of must be defamatory, means that matter must be defamatory. Second is it must be false and it must not be privileged or in a nature of a fair and a bona fide comment. Means if it is true, that comment is true, that material is true, then it cannot be considered as a defamatory material. That's why it is said that it must be false, then only it can be considered as a slander. Then it must refer to the plaintiff, it must be published by the defendant, and there must be a special damage to the plaintiff.